Parachute Center. It's your first skydive?
Yes.
All right. Why are you doing this today? Any special occasions?
No.
No, just want to jump out of an airplane.
Yep.
All right, man. Hey, I hope you have a good time. I'll see you on the plane, all right?
Thanks a lot.
Baby, in this song, 'cause I wanna get next to you, next to you. Better than Kool-Aid, sweet my buttercup, baby's got a pretty face. I gotta have it, it's another bad habit, and I hope I'm not here too late. I've been trying all night long, I put up with your favorite songs all night. Tempted by your tainted love, I shut it like the way you come inside my crystal. But what can I do? Is it you?
Alright, man, we're halfway. You ready?
What mood is that you at this time? Why do you get high to change the sea you're in? Time you won't come back again. What mood is that you at this time? Why do you get high to change the sea you're in? Time you won't come back again. Make light of the weight, time off from hell I could be in. These are the words you say. What mood is that you at this time? Why do you get high? To change my scene and complicate things. I'm so high, I can hear heaven. Oh, but heaven, no heaven, don't hear me.
How was it?
Great, thank you.
All right. Thanks for jumping with us at the Parachute Center today.